This is John from Clean Codecast, and welcome to my YouTube tutorials. Hey everyone. In this video, we will be showing you how to bring in a package to handle serialization and deserialization of JSON in and out using data classes. The package I am talking about is Jackson. Alright, let's dive right in. So to bring in Jackson, we can switch over to the browser and navigate to Ktor.io. Click on servers at the top, scroll down, and under content negotiation, you'll see Jackson. You can see the implementation right here. We can go ahead and copy this, go back to our code, and inside the build.gradle.kts file, inside dependencies, we can go implementation, paste in what we copied, replacing this Ktor version variable with 1.3.0, the version we installed earlier. Go ahead and save the file and navigate back to app.kt. So now we can go back to the browser, and under basic usage you can see install content negotiation Jackson with some configuration options. Let's go ahead and copy this since we're just going to do the basics. Switch back to the code, and inside your application My App, underneath routing, let's add install the content negotiation with Jackson inside. Now, we have to import content negotiation. We can do that at the top by typing import io Ktor features and then content negotiation. Now we're missing Jackson. So we can pull in import io Ktor Jackson.star. Now we can go ahead and save it. Now that Jackson's dependency is in, let's add a data class and we'll call it user, and we'll have a val name string and a val age int. This is the class that we're going to use to serialize and deserialize our JSON. So now in this GET request, we can go ahead and remove this code, add dot respond, and pass in a new user object, and I'll name this John, and I am 36. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now we can switch back over to the terminal, and we can call Gradle run. This will take a few seconds. Once it's running, we can now open up a new tab like this and type in curl http localhost 8080, and you'll see our response. Now we can switch back over to the other tab, and we can go ahead and Control C to stop it from running. We can then switch back over to the code. We'll start by adding post under the get. With the standard route, we'll add val user equals call dot receive, pass in the type user so it knows what to serialize to, and then we can say call respond with the user. Go ahead and save it. Now we need to satisfy this receive. Since we are not importing the Ktor.request receive function, we need to do that at the top. That should satisfy it. We can switch back over to our terminal, rerun the project. We can now switch to the other tab. We can go ahead and copy this string that was returned to us from the GET request. And now we can type curl-h and in double quotes, content type, and then application JSON, and then -d, and in single quotes, paste in that response to HTTP localhost 8080. And there you have it. It took in this JSON string and returned us the JSON in return. Just to prove that it is something different than that GET request, we can go ahead and change this to 37. I'm about to be 37. And there you have it. It responded with 37. So now we can switch back to the code, and in the post you can see that it returns the user that we are passing to it, and it was a JSON string. That was it. we successfully brought in Jackson to serialize and deserialize our JSON data for a user data class. In the next video, I will be showing you how to bring in Expose library from JetBrains to connect to a SQLite database that we will add to the project for data persistence. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell and you'll be notified when I add a new video. As always, this is John from Clean Codecast signing off.